What's going on, guys? Crypto Chris back with another cryptocurrency breakdown video, and in this video I'm going to discuss the potential explosion we could have in XRP price with the upcoming swell meeting, guys. And I'm going to be covering the other indicator that I've shown that this reversal in price could be highly possible, guys. And also going to be covering price and do a technical analysis on the XRP monthly and weekly chart. But before I jump in this video, guys, don't forget to follow me on my free Telegram. So the reason I'm doing this video, because I gave all of you guys a vote on which video you like to see, and with 38% it was the video about XRP going to $1. So don't forget to follow me on my free Telegram. I give all my free up-to-date analysis. I do giveaways, all my trade calls, all the latest news got to do with crypto. So go give me that follow. The link is in the description. So first of all, a lot of these headlines have been flying out with XRP's technical indicators are bullish in anticipation of Ripple swell, and also Ripple inviting many large XRP community members to swell. What do they have up their sleeve? I mean, with this headline, I mean, it's been all over. A lot of people on crypto Twitter have been tweeting out that how they received a personal invite off Ripple to attend the swell meeting. It's the annual meeting that Ripple as a company have every year, where they usually make all the upcoming announcements and any exciting projects, any potential new partnerships they have in the pipeline usually get announced in the swell meeting. So a lot of people speculating that they're going to have a lot of big news, and they want the big community members out there to start reporting it and start throwing out that hype already, guys. And you already know, once a coin gets a lot of steam, a lot of hype and a lot of momentum, there is no stopping it in price. People just start chucking the money in there. But with XRP, I believe now, just because how the coin has matured, it needs like real partnerships, it needs huge announcements, and it needs real use case to see any significant increase in price. So a lot of people are comparing this to the 2017 swell annual meeting, where price roughly went from about 20 cents and then shot up all the way to $3. So that's something I'm going to cover briefly in this video. I'm going to cover the monthly and the weekly chart, just to show you what could be, what the chart is showing us on the longer time frames, and where this potential trend can be going. So I just want to highlight last 2017 swell happened. It was roughly about mid-October. So as you can see, we had this indecisive doji candle followed up with a more bullish candle, which confirmed that a potential uptrend was on the horizon. And look what we had, price absolutely shot up to well over 1,000%, and then that's when we topped out to around about $3.30. I mean, fast forward into the upcoming swell 2019 again. So we've had this massive downtrend in price. I mean, it's been pitiful, guys. Look at that price. It's just been making these lower highs and lower highs, and we are making these lower lows here. Very bearish. But like I said, when you get a indecisive candle like this, like a doji, followed up with a confirmation of a bullish candle, this usually indicates we could be potential seeing a reversal in price. I mean, as you can see here, I just want to give you an example. So you can see this candle here, I've highlighted here. It is a doji candle, but it was followed up with a bearish candle, so we had no confirmation that a trend was about to happen. So we had this mini pump there, then price continued on its merry way down. So that's something I've noticed on the monthly chart. I mean, I don't think it's a coincidence. I mean, we have the hype of the and anticipation of the swell meeting, and a lot of people were saying there's going to be a huge announcement with a major bank potentially, and they're going to announce that they are live and they are using XRP token, and that will shoot XRP straight to the moon. But guys, this is crypto. We always need to be aware of what's going on, and you need to anticipate in case the move goes against you, because potentially the other thing that people saying is a buy the rumor, sell the news, where you buy into the rumor there could be a potential partnership, and then before the actual swell meeting there is just a huge sell off, and that is called buy the rumor, sell the news. The other indicator I'm going to look at is on the weekly. I mean, this is something I covered in my previous video. So this is the MACD indicator. So I just want to show you what it is. So the MACD is a momentum indicator. It will show you the current momentum of the movement of any particular asset. And like I said before, when you're expecting a reversal, you want to see the blue line cross above the red, have a nice bullish crossover, and that indicates there's about to be a potential reversal in trend. And in a downtrend, to see a potential downtrend come in, is the blue line crosses under the red line, and that indicates that the bears are in control. So like I said, this is on the weekly time frame. So I'm currently looking at these 3 candles. So we've had 3 candles close consecutively above each other, which for me is bullish, and I'm anticipating, especially if we have a candle closure above this week, I believe that could set us up nicely going into the following week, with potential more rumors possibly to be leaked out about the annual swell meeting and what they have. And as the time goes closer, I believe people will start buying into the rumor, and I believe this could be very, very bullish for price for the time being. But like I said, we need to be aware just in case we have no major news, no surprises, and not major announcements. I believe this will just initiate just another sell-off, and then we just continue this sideways. And then I believe the price of XRP would be dictated by Bitcoin, as it has the most dominance in the market at the moment. But this is just another confluence that I'm currently looking at. Is if we do have this bullish crossover, I believe it could be bullish for price. Like I said, when we had a full-on crossover here back in September, we had an over 200% increase in price. And with the indicators that I said, that potential reversal, the weekly candles looking bullish, the MACD, I believe for the time being, for the medium term, I believe this is bullish for price, and the anticipation of the swell annual meeting, I can see more upside in price for XRP. And that's my personal opinion, guys, not financial advice. Always do your own research before you invest in cryptocurrency, guys. These are highly volatile markets, guys, and you need to know what you're doing before you even attempt to invest in this kind of market. I mean, the reward is high, but also the risk is very, very high. So once again, don't forget to follow me on my Telegram, guys. So you can get all my up-to-date trade analysis. I mean, I'm going to be tracking this trade day by day and giving all my Telegram members an up-to-date analysis of what's happening. Also, I just want to cover quickly Bitcoin, of what's going on, as XRP Bitcoin has the most dominance in the market, and I believe if we do start seeing Bitcoin move bullish, I believe this will be extra bullish for XRP. So just want to show you, so since the 26th of November, Bitcoin is just traveling in this zone here. I mean, from looking at the chart, because we've had 1-2 bounces to the upside, I believe we could potentially be seeing another bounce upside, guys, to roughly about 8,800 to retest this upper resistance once again. But quickly, just want to be brief with this one. If we do break under this support here, I believe price could melt all the way back down here to roughly about 7,500. If this support does not hold, then like I said, like I said previously, my next support is roughly about 6,500. I mean, a lot of people are speculating, and a lot of people anticipating this $6,000 Bitcoin. I mean, everywhere you go, everyone's like $6,000, $6,000, $6,000. I mean, I just want to show you when BTC was in this period here, where we had this bear market and the price just moved sideways for ages. Trust me, people were anticipating, even me to a certain extent, were anticipating a $2,500, $2,000, a $1,500 BTC. But the people that waited for that price never got that chance, and then price absolutely ripped up. So potentially we could be seeing something there, prices move sideways, and then we just get this massive break to the upside, which if it takes out this long-term standing down-sloping resistance, if we can actually, like I said, if we can actually take this out, then I believe that will be bullish for price. But that as of yet, I'm still waiting for further confirmations before even trading BTC at the moment. So my main focus is on XRP, just with the upcoming news, the indicators, etc, etc. So guys, if you've enjoyed this video, go and give it a thumbs up, guys. I'm trying to grow my channel. I'm nearly at 200 subscribers, guys, and I thank every single one of you for subscribing to my channel. It really does mean a lot to me, guys, and you've helped me grow, and I've achieved more things than you can ever imagine. And again, don't forget my free Telegram, where I'll be giving up-to-date day-to-day analysis on this XRP chart, guys. So thank you once again. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Crypto Chris over and out, and I'll see you guys on the moon.